Hello guys, my name is Pavlo Rozenberg. I'm from Lausanne, from Switzerland, and this is my final project for Python for the CS50 in Harvard University. It's a project about the budget planner. Based on the income and expenses of the user, it is possible to calculate the desirable amount of money for a major expenses. So let's start with the process. First, the user is prompted with a name. It's going to be Anna, for example. Welcome, Anna. Let's set up your budget data. Monthly income, let's say $7,000. Monthly rent, $1,200. Expense for utilities, let's say it's going to be another 1,000. Groceries, transportation. Monthly expenses for other, let's say it's going to be another $450. Now we go to yearly expenses for insurances, say $6,000. Taxes, based on the salary, it's going to be maybe around $8,000. Annual subscriptions for whatever, let's say it's going to be another $4,000. Vacations, $5,000. So we come up with all based on the income and expenses to the net monthly budget 1,813. So Anna is willing to buy a new car, and she's willing to save $25,000. So we're able to calculate based on the income and expenses how much she will need, and she's going to need about 14 months for if the expenses and incomes is not changing. Now, do you want to exit the program? Yes. And let's say we want to come back to one of the users we already have in our database, which is going to be Mike. So let's say let's start the program again. Enter your name and we say Mike. Now, welcome back, Mike. So these are the amounts that are being saved already in the CSV file, as we can see. And do you want to change your monthly income? Yes. So now Mike is earning, instead of 8,000, he's going to earn 9,000. Do you want to change your monthly expenses? No. Do you want to change your early expenses? No. Enter the amount you want to save. So let's say he's willing to save $70,000 for the new car, and he's going to need 19 months for this project, $70,000. Now we're prompted if we want to exit the program. We say yes. And all the data, all the user data are stored in the CSV file. And this is the main project file. So here you go with the full code. And this is the test project file. And voila, here you go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'd enjoy this presentation.